Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best wound glue is probably one of the most underrated products in the first aid kit. Imagine a world where cuts and scrapes heal faster, with less hassle and pain. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wound glue, exploring its benefits, how it works, and why it's a game changer for minor injuries. Get ready to discover a revolutionary way to treat those everyday cuts and abrasions. Number 5. Active Skin Repair Hydrogel, natural and non-toxic. This is Active Skin Repair, a safe and gentle hydrogel. It utilizes the same technology trusted in hospitals. This helps cleanse wounds and promotes faster skin recovery. Recommended by doctors, this hydrogel is natural, non-toxic, and non-sensitizing. It's free of steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, and harsh chemicals. You can trust it for your skin. Active Skin Repair is perfect for cuts, rashes, and sunburns. It's like having a first aid kit in a convenient 3-ounce bottle. It is easy to use and carry. This medical-grade hydrogel acts quickly to provide relief. It supports your body's natural healing process. It is designed to be effective and gentle. You can use your flexible spending account or health saving account card to purchase it. It also has the National Eczema Association seal of approval. It is a great choice for your health. What we like. This hydrogel is natural and non-toxic, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or concerns about harsh chemicals. It is also doctor-recommended and clinically proven, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a gentle yet effective solution for various skin irritations, you should consider this. What people say. The product works great for closing up wounds. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The glue creates a strong bond, holding the skin together effectively. Number 4. Rapid Seal Wound Gel, Fast Bleeding Control. Are you tired of dealing with cuts and scrapes? This product offers a fast-acting solution to control minor bleeding. It quickly seals minor wounds. The clear gel is easy to apply. It's non-irritating, ensuring a comfortable experience when used. This product is designed for ease of use. This is ideal for minor cuts, scrapes, and even razor nicks. It's a must-have for your emergency first aid kit. It provides quick relief and protection. Apply enough gel to cover the wound completely. Use a gauze pad to press and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. The gel adheres to the wound, sealing it effectively. If it doesn't adhere, reapply. Laboratory tests show it stops bleeding up to 10 times faster than dry absorbent dressings. This product offers superior performance. It's a reliable choice for quick wound care. What we like. This wound gel stops bleeding in seconds, offering rapid relief for minor cuts and scrapes. Its easy application makes it convenient for quick first aid. If you need a fast-acting solution to control bleeding, you should consider this. What people say. The product works well. It is a great product for closing up wounds. This glue is easy to use and dries quickly. Number 3. Emergency Wound Closure Kit 2-pack. This kit is designed for quick, sutureless wound closure in emergencies. It helps prevent excessive exposure and promotes natural healing. The small package includes essential tools for effective wound care. The kit contains everything you need for wound closure, including cleaning wipes and swabs. It's easy to use, just clean and dry the skin before application. This makes it a convenient solution for various situations. This kit is faster than traditional sutures, saving time and money. It's easy to store and carry, making it ideal for any first aid kit. Be prepared for any situation with this efficient solution. This kit offers a painless and easy-to-use alternative to stitches. It reduces trauma and scarring, enhancing recovery. It's perfect for those who are apprehensive about traditional sutures. The zip suture can be adjusted for customized tension. This allows you to precisely control how the wound closes. This feature ensures optimal wound closure and healing. This kit is safe for all skin types, including adults and nursing mothers. It's a great alternative to skin glue, staples, and traditional sutures. It's a must-have for any first aid kit. What we like. This kit offers a sutureless closure, which is easy and painless to use. It's also efficient and economical, saving you time and money. If you are afraid of traditional sutures, you should consider this. What people say. The product works great for closing up wounds. It is easy to apply and dries quickly. The glue creates a strong bond, holding the skin together effectively. Number 2. 4g X8 Strong Super Glue with Anticlog Cap. This super glue is super fast and strong. It is designed to create strong bonds quickly, saving you time and effort. The Anticlog cap ensures a fast and clean application. It prevents messy spills and keeps the glue from drying out. Made with industrial-strength cyanoacrylate, it creates strong bonds for long-lasting repairs. It's perfect for various projects around the house, office, or workshop. This glue sets in just seconds. It dries and bonds instantly, saving you time and money on your projects. This strong glue will last a long time. You'll never have to worry about running out again. It's compatible with multiple materials, ideal for repairing pottery, jewelry, plastics, rubber, paper, leather, metal, and more. It offers long-lasting effects. What we like. This super glue offers a fast and strong bond, making it perfect for various materials. The Anticlog cap ensures easy and clean application. If you like a versatile and reliable adhesive for everyday projects, you should consider this. What people say. The product works great for closing up wounds. It is a great alternative to stitches for small cuts. This glue is very effective at sealing wounds. Number 1. MYHELP Emergency Wound Closure Strips, 4pk. These emergency wound closure strips from MYHELP can be a lifesaver. They securely hold the sides of a cut together, allowing it to heal properly or giving you time to get to the ER. It's best to be prepared for any situation. Keep these butterfly stitches in your first aid kit, backpack, or car for emergency treatment. You never know when you might need them. Use these butterfly stitches to quickly and painlessly stop blood loss. They also prevent the laceration from widening during movement, which is crucial during outdoor activities. Avoid the pain of surgical sutures with this hospital-grade effectiveness kit. Whether you're far from medical care or enjoying outdoor sports, this is a great solution. These bandages are designed for ease of use, making them ideal for anyone. Just follow the instructions to apply them to your hands, legs, fingers, or head in seconds. You'll get 2 types of strips in different sizes, allowing you to treat a range of wounds. It's an essential part of your safety, whether you're cooking or camping. Unlike traditional stitches, this non-invasive technique keeps the skin intact. Using this device promotes smoother healing with minimal scarring. What we like. This kit uses stitchless technology, which is easy to apply and remove, making it ideal for kids. It also helps reduce scarring, promoting smoother healing. If you have kids or are looking for a less invasive wound closure method, you should consider this. What people say. The product works great for closing up wounds. It is a great alternative to stitches for small cuts. This glue is easy to apply and dries quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.